Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you guys trying to find where the power seats and the seats module, fuses, relays are located on Chevy Equinox. That generation that you see from here, 2010 to 2017. Stay with us guys, we'll explain what you can expect to find them. We'll talk about hidden fuse boxes. And if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So guys, the power seats and the seats module, fuses, relays, we'll show you where you can find them. Quick advice from us guys. There will be some hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox that 9 out of 10 owners do not know where they're located. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you a lot of money guys. Here we need to go ahead and open the hood, facing the engine now. On the right side here, on the driver's side, you see that's your engine fuse box next to the brake fluid reservoir. You have a clip here, a clip there, squish them, pull the cover up. And underneath guys, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Multiple fuses, relays will need to be checked in that fuse box today guys. Some is for the left, some for the front power seat, some for the seat module. So if you have problems with power seats, check all of them. The first fuse that you need to check is fuse number 5 right here and fuse number 6. These two fuses are very important fuses guys. The next step that we need to check is fuse 24. You see that 20 amp fuse here? Check it guys, important fuse as well. Next we need to check guys fuse number 77. We're talking about this fuse right here, 77. Next you need to check fuse number 78, which by the way will be that 20 amp fuse right here as well. What about relays? The relay function guys is controlled by the body control module. You have just these fuses that are known as relay fuses, but if you still have problems with the power seats, check guys the seats modules and check fuses for body control module, BCM fuses, relays. We'll have the video on the channel for any of you needing help with that, but those are the things we usually check. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open guys interior fuse box, we want to show you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck, always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share guys the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well guys. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful and see you guys next time.